What's going on, YouTube family? Today I'm going to harvest my potatoes that I tried to plant. They grew pretty good. They're starting to die away, the leaves and everything. So we're about to find out what they look like underneath the soil. I also have a small pepper plant right there, and then I have some sweet potatoes growing. It's gonna be really good next month or two. Can't wait to see what these look like. These are potatoes right here. They started growing about 2.5, almost 3 months ago at the start of coronavirus. Like most of you, I got laid off too. But, as a professional cook that I am, I decided to start growing my own food to see how it all is. So today, we're going to harvest these potatoes only because I'm getting ready to have carpal tunnel surgery and I need to do it before I'm going to my surgery. So we're going to see what it looks like. Now mind you, I don't know what I'm doing. I just watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos to see the process and I wanted to see how it went. There was 5 potatoes in this one and then 4 potato seeds in that one. So we'll see how much they give us. My little spider friends.
Black Widow?
I don't know. We can get them off.
I think it's a Black Widow. Siri, wait.
Oh, look at those roots.
Oh, there's a spider.
Alright. Let's see what these look like. Lots of roots. That must be the sack from the potato seed.
Well, it's
Not bad.
Let me get a close up.
And the potatoes that I planted were small. I'll make sure I got all of them.
Now, can you save that soil for like replanting?
Oh, that's a good question. I'm not sure. So that's one of the things I wanted to look at. See if there's a way to amend it. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 little potatoes out of those 4.
I think next time I'll probably let the soil dry out just a little bit more. That's so cool.
Now, I forget exactly. My little worm friend. Nice little ecosystem in there. I forget what kind of potatoes they were. I went to my mom's house and she had some potatoes that were sprouting. So that's why I decided to go ahead and give this a try. Well, it looks like that's about it. So, it wasn't too bad for my first time trying to grow potatoes. I'm gonna get these washed off and let them cure for about a week or so. But yeah, it's a nice little harvest. Something I can be proud of, you know, growing my own food. If you have any suggestions about how I can get a bigger yield next time, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Well, there you go. With a final product, what it looks like. I can't wait to cook these up for the family and see how they taste. Alright you guys, if you have any suggestions or comments, please put them down below so I can read them and try to implement them.